Every month, the same thing happens to millions of people. The salary comes in. The number looks correct. But when they check their bank balance, something feels wrong. It is always lower than expected. You open your banking app and start scrolling. You see the usual things: coffee, groceries, a bus ride, a movie ticket, nothing strange. But then you notice the tiny charges: service charge, processing fee, convenience fee, small amounts that look harmless. $1 here, $2 there. And then you see something that makes you stop. A line that says ATM withdrawal fee non-network. You remember taking cash 3 times that month. You realize you paid $9 just to take out your own money. That is when something inside you changes. You understand that the problem is not big spending. The problem is the quiet friction inside modern banking, the small leaks you never see. In a world that promises convenience, small costs hide everywhere. Every swipe of a card, every tap on a screen, every transfer, and every reload. None of them feel big enough to matter, but together they slowly drain your money. It is not one big fee, it is many small ones. They are soft, silent, and normal banks. Apps and companies charge tiny amounts for simple actions. Most people never question it because they are used to it. Think about Sarah. She is a freelance designer who uses a digital wallet every day. She reloads $2,000 each month. She feels comfortable using her credit card for this. What she does not know is that her wallet has a reload fee of 1%. It sounds small, but it takes $20 from her every month. That becomes $240 every year. That is money she loses without even noticing. Then there is Amir. He travels often for work. He uses his debit card when he is abroad. Every time he withdraws money, he pays a foreign fee, $5 each time. When he comes home and checks his account, he finds that almost $100 disappeared during his trip. No one stole it. It was simply the bank policy, and thousands of people experience the same thing every month. Now look at Lena. She keeps $10,000 in a savings account that pays very low interest. Her bank calls it safe, but every year her money grows slower than prices rise. This means she is slowly losing value, and if she forgets to log in for a while, the bank charges a maintenance fee. The price of feeling safe becomes a silent loss. These examples are not rare. Studies around the world show the same pattern. Most adults pay at least one avoidable fee every month. They do not see it because each fee feels too small to care about. But small leaks become big losses over time. The first step to stopping this is simple. You must be aware of where your money goes. It is not exciting. It is not complicated. It is just careful attention. Sit down for 30 minutes. Download your bank statements from the past 3 months. Look at each line closely. Search for words like fee, charge, or service. You will see small losses hiding everywhere. In your bank card, in your subscription. In your wallet app, make a simple table for yourself. Write down the type of fee and how often it appears. Then write how much you lose each month and each year. Very quickly, you will see patterns appear. At-team withdrawal fees, digital wallet reload fees, account maintenance fees, late payment charges, all tiny on their own but powerful when combined. Most working adults lose between $300 and $1,000 every year this way. That could pay 1 month of rent. That could be a vacation you never took. That could be the start of an investment that slowly grows. But there is good news. Once you see these leaks, you can control them. The first and easiest step is to avoid ATM fees. Use only your bank's network. Take out a larger amount once instead of many small withdrawals. Next, look for banks that offer zero-fee accounts. New digital banks provide free transfers, free withdrawals, and no hidden charges. They save you money simply by being transparent. Then check your digital wallet habits. Many people pay reload fees without knowing. If possible, use direct bank transfers instead of credit card reloads. If you must use a credit card, choose one that gives rewards instead of taking money through fees. This one change can save you more than $200 a year. Another helpful step is to call your bank. Ask them to remove the annual fee from your credit card. Be polite. Be confident. Banks often say yes because they do not want to lose a loyal customer. More than half of people who ask are successful. Also, set your bills to pay automatically. This removes the chance of forgetting and getting hit with late fees. It takes only a few minutes to set up, but can save money for many years. If you keep a large amount of money in a low-interest savings account, move it to a higher yield option. There are safe accounts today that pay much more. Your money should work for you, not sleep. Saving $500 a year may sound small, but wealth is not built in sudden jumps. It grows quietly, just like how it leaks quietly. If you save these small amounts and invest them, something powerful happens. Your money grows on its own through time. If you invest $500 every year with a steady return, it can grow to more than $20,000 in 20 years. It can grow to around $50,000 in 30 years. This is not magic, it is simple math and patience. Now imagine this happening across society. If millions of people stop paying invisible fees, billions of dollars return to them instead of to banks. That is not just saving, that is a shift in power, that is people taking back control of their own money. Jay sits by his window looking at the city lights outside. He finally feels something new: control. Not control over the world, but control over his choices. He understands that money is not a trap, it is a tool that works better when you pay attention. The invisible fee is not only about money, it is also about life. We all lose small pieces of our time and energy without noticing. Minor distractions, bad habits, tiny decisions that slowly add up. The solution is the same. See the leaks, seal them, choose what matters. The truth is simple. People who build wealth do not only earn more, they lose less. They protect their money, they watch where it goes, and they make small, smart choices every day. You can do the same. Start today. Look at your statements. Find the leaks in your financial life. Close them one by one. Then send the money you save toward the life you want. Work on your dreams, not on bank fees. When you stop paying invisible fees, you gain more than money. You gain freedom. Freedom to choose. Freedom to grow. Freedom to build a future that is truly yours.